Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear search history on LinkedIn. So you have to go first on your LinkedIn account. After that you have to go for your profile icon over here and just click on drop down option and go for settings and privacy. Okay, just it's loading. Okay. Now, in this list, we have to go to this data privacy section and you can see here search history option. So click on it. Okay. Now you can just uh, click on clear search history and tap on clear. Okay. So it's cleared now. So guys, this is how you can clear search history on LinkedIn. So, hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.